I'm going to show you how this is made. So I can charge it with a 12 volt power supply. There's a dedicated 12.6 volt power supply that I can use to plug in to chargers, or I could use a USB charger. This is the wireless charging pad, and the pad looks something like this, except I had a pad that was broken, so I just cut off the connector part, and I look for the positive and negative, and then I attach the positive and negative to my boost buck converter. This board can boost the voltage from 5 volt to 12.6 volt. That it can actually, you can set it to a wide ranging set of voltage. So I just set it to 12.6 volt. The battery pack is underneath, of course. Okay, so this is the wireless charging pad. I just hot glue it to the bottom of the battery case. This is the 3S case. You can see the positive and negative wire is hooked up to the positive and negative of the step-up booster board. This is step up and step down. And the output is connected to my balance charging connector here. If I want to do balance charging, I just unplug those two wires, the positive and negative, and I can plug this into my RC charger, and this would be the input for the main charge plug. So I can charge it either through a dedicated 12.6 volt charger. I can charge it with an RC charger with balance, or I can charge it through the charging pad. Just lay it down on this wireless charger, plug the charger into USB, and I can charge the 12 volt with 5 volt USB wirelessly. So that's how I make this battery box. And then the next thing I'm doing is I'm making this slightly bigger pack. This is also, I'm using the EBL batteries, and this set is 3 in series, 4 in parallel. And this would be about 8 amps if you figure about 2 amps per cell. So I'm doing the bus wire. I'm using like 12 gauge wires that I strip, and then I use these tapping wires which I cut the bus wire in two. So this would, I'm not sure how many amps this would carry before it blows. Probably depending on how thick you cut them. Right? So this is what I use as a crude fuse wire instead of the fuse wire. So I have another bus wire that I have to connect to on this side. So this side is already done.